So Santiago, the shit talker to my videos, if you guys remember my spark plug installation video, is back, and he requires my assistance and help to install his new exhaust, apparently.
Not really required. It's
more like you want content for your channel, or what?
I don't want to get yelled at by my parents doing it at their place.
Oh man.
You know.
Alright. Hey, make sure you're not blocking their driveway, dude.
Yeah, no, that's what I just thought about.
Because I don't know how long we're going to be on this. You sure this is going to work?
Yeah.
I don't like these. I don't like these ramps, dude. I don't like ramps. Oh, smart. Wait.
Run that or...
Wait. Alright, it's centered. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow. Yeah, not bad. And the gutter actually helps you because it creates more space.
Yep.
Today's episode is not sponsored by Rockstar Energy Drink. So, yeah. I'm sleepy as fuck from last night or from yesterday. Drove all the way to SoCal for a 1MZ supercharger for around $129. And, yeah, I'm still tired. I did a whole 24 hour drive. No sleep, I guess you could say. But looks like he has everything. It's like Christmas all over again. How much did this cost you?
The regular price on this is 250 simoleons.
Simoleons, he said. Wow, Sims player.
But they had it on sale for like 130 or some shit.
That's not bad for... What is this, axle back or just the muffler or catback or what?
Scuba tank back.
Scuba tank back.
Yes. So on the IM and I think even on the TC, it has a big ass resonator that looks like a scuba tank behind the cat. So yeah.
You know, it might look like the Sulca ones, and I think I'm picturing what you're talking about. Actually, let's go check. Let me set this down. Oh, okay. Wow, that's really far in there. Really far in there. Dude, is this gonna fit back in the car?
I have no clue.
I don't think this is gonna fit in the car. I think we're gonna use like the Matrix to take it back to your apartment or something.
Well, it should have the same amount of space as the Matrix.
Damn, that is really long, dude. But I mean, my seats fold down. I don't know, do your seats fold down?
Not the front.
My seats fold down in the front.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. If it doesn't fit, we could take it in the Matrix, I guess. Wow.
Basically a fucking straight pipe.
A straight pipe? No way. No way, dude. This is gonna sound loud. You're deleting 2 resonators.
Just one.
It looks like 2.
Oh, well, we'll see.
This is gonna be loud. You're gonna wake up everyone. It's just a straight pipe. No, I mean a curved pipe, but technically it's straight. What the fuck? I mean, if it's what you want.
I don't know.
Wait, we need to do it. We need to do it before and after.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Well, Get in the car and rev it. But don't let it rev too much to get hot. Oh, dude, what the fuck happened here? Look, hey. You need to back that out.
Safe enough.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, dude. I'm pretty sure the other side's not like that.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Yeah, better to be safe than sorry. Hold up. Come back. Come back. Go. All right. Yeah, you're good. It's way better than what it was. Hold up, hold up. Okay, go for it. Do your revs. Do them from like slowly increasing, I guess. That's hella quiet. That's hella quiet.
Most of the noise is engine noise, dude.
Yeah, I know. That's hella quiet. All right, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
It's just a pipe.
Yeah. At least it's got a nice tip on it. Who knows how long that'll last?
I mean, I have it was on the Black Matrix. I could have showed you a tip that I bought from a local, my friend's muffler shop, and that thing it looked like it was like a cheap one, and it's still holding up really well. It hasn't rusted or nothing. Yeah. Are you gonna wait for Daniel or Danny or? Or are you just gonna install it and say fuck it?
That what?
Or are you just gonna install it?
Yeah, just install, I guess. Wait, shit. Let me see.
See what? Oh.
So yeah, make sure there's enough head to wrench clearance.
Yeah. Don't want to get hit. How's life under there?
A little cold.
Bro, you don't want the... Why don't you use the socket one?
Can you get a 14?
It's like, why is he making his life difficult here? Short?
Yeah, short. Thank you. Oh,
Is that Danny?
Yeah.
I heard a car. Daniel's here. Oh my God. This is my first time seeing this car.
We're trying to get to see the crap shack.
The Crab Shack. But this is the daily, I assume, right?
The daily shit box.
Trying to not put that many miles on your WRX. Nope. What the heck, man? Paint your fenders, or paint your fender, your wing.
I'm gonna paint the whole entire car this color.
Solar yellow, or what is it?
It's cashmere yellow.
Cashmere yellow?
Only made that color in 1 year in Japan.
Damn, this guy went from owning like a billion Lexuses to owning like 3 different Subarus. Jeez.
Yeah.
It sounds like you had a lot of fun with this Paseo. Why didn't you keep it?
It was a do or die situation.
What?
Yeah.
Well, care to explain?
So basically, his stepfather gave him an ultimatum, and either his stepfather has the also rare 5-speed TRD package 99 Tacoma.
Oh.
And his older brother needed a car. Either stepfather gave him the Tacoma, or stepfather gave him the Paseo, and his older brother killed the Paseo within not even a year. So the Tacoma would have ended in the same fate.
You saw this Tacoma, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
His stepfather gave him the Tacoma.
I don't think I've ever seen it then.
It's lovely.
This is the one you were talking about with this.
No, it doesn't have one. 380,000 miles on it right now. Yeah.
You know that I found a supercharger at the junkyard yesterday, right?
The Camry.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw it on foot.
Like this guy was just casually strolling down, and he's like, Camry, why does it have a TRD badge on the side? Pops open the hood, fucking complete supercharger kit. Complete.
That's what you call a sleeper.
That's the definition of a sleeper. It was a 5-speed V6 1MZ.
Yeah, I was like, the fuck?
But I didn't see any damage to the car, so I'm pretty sure the guy blew the engine on it or the transmission. And seeing how it took me 4 hours to disassemble just the supercharger, I'm pretty sure he didn't want to pay someone to do the labor to replace whatever the hell it was that got messed up.
Can you hand me a paper towel over there?
So, I did some research and I found out even if the supercharger's blown, I can get it rebuilt for $600.
Yeah, just send it to Magnuson. They're the ones who originally built all the superchargers for Toyota.
Wow.
I think right now LC Engineering took over their supercharger builds for the Tacomas.
Yeah.
So if you want a brand new California legal supercharger, you have to go through LC Engineering.
Damn, Santi knows his stuff.
You're the
Well,
Toyota
that's
guy.
But I guess I didn't do. I guess I haven't done any research on that department because
I'm gonna tell Scott to kill on you.
I haven't done any research in that department because there's only one TRD supercharger for my engine family, the 1ZZ.
And you're the Toyota guru.
But I don't have any more 1ZZs. All my cars have. Well, I mean, this one has the 1ZZ, but I'm not gonna shove the supercharger in an automatic.
Why not?
That's boring. No.
That'd be the sleeper right there.
I think he needs help.
You're having fun, sir.
a little bit. Yeah, that'll be good.
Oh my gosh. You know what I've been trying to get that I keep forgetting? There's a tool to pry out the rubber pieces from those exhaust hangers, and it would save you a lot of time.
Oh, I just use a long ass flathead.
Yeah, I guess you can use the flathead, but
A lot of lube.
the job will be a lot easier with the right tools.
It is, but when you're already knee deep in, you're like, fuck it.
Oh my god, I guess you're right there. Wow. Is it warm still?
No, it's cold.
It's cold? Yeah, we were revving it a couple of times earlier just to get like a before and an after.
Yeah,
I mean, I guess it is kind of dinky, so I don't think you're gonna make any noticeable difference in sound. Cause those mufflers, resonators, whatever you want to call them, do look kind of tiny.
hey, some sound better than nothing.
Dude, just get an intake. Just get an intake. All the sound will sound a lot better with an intake.
Yeah, I'm gonna get an intake.
Well,
RS over there.
step 4 or 5 is probably going to be the Lotus supercharger.
Oh boy. Oh boy. California legal? No.
Yeah, I'm not leaving.
Reason for supercharger is you could take it off in a day.
What's going on? Did you get the other piece already installed?
Taking out the protection.
Protection. Fuck it, dude. Just go in raw. Just fucking leave that out. It'll create an exhaust leak where it'll sound a lot louder.
Nah, it might whistle.
No, nobody want to pay that child support.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Danny starts paying child support. He can't do his swaps no more for his Subarus.
Nope.
Don't you just love installing an exhaust on the ground?
Fuck yeah, especially a high quality eBay exhaust.
This is eBay?
Well,
It's the box at Amazon.
same shit.
Amazon's the new eBay, just with free shipping.
Pretty much. Fucking 2-day from SoCal, yeah.
$130 for exhaust, huh?
And you know what sucks? eBay just started charging sales tax on everything sold on eBay. They weren't doing that before, but just recently in September, everything has to have sales tax now, which is fucking stupid.
Everywhere.
So the eBay bucks that you were getting, it's like pointless now. Like it's just pointless. I'm a little upset with that, but whatever, I guess.
It's California being California.
Well, I think it's nationwide.
Oh,
It's only it's like 13 states. Yeah, it's like 13 states. California's one of them. California, New York, Vermont, Connecticut. Who else? Nevada. They're all doing the internet sales tax nonsense.
Alright. Fuck, where's the ratchet at?
I feel jealous.
it's really. Go for it. Oh boy, that is louder.
That's way louder.
That is way louder, dude. Just the startup is way louder. Oh no.
Give it a little rev. Oh yeah.
Oh no, that is way louder.
Sound opposite.
That is for sure louder.
Kind of like a 350Z.
You want to just get it? Just buy a trumpet. Just buy a trumpet.
That is way louder.
Were you jealous?
Am I jealous? I think mine is louder. Honestly, like I'm not even like trying to like have a loud competition here, but I think mine
you
is
wanna?
louder. No, I'm I'll piss off my neighbors.
Let me bring my double over here.
I'm pretty sure yours is louder.
It's not
the-
an annoying sound.
The Celica is actually quiet.
My thing goes pow 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 pow.
Oh. Gunshots. Gets called by the police. They're like, where's the shooting taking place? Right here, officer. Okay, pop up on your hood. You're getting state reffed.